These offer the advantage of being more narrow than the Donnie FL. They are also the lightest suppressors in the group. I don't have a scale reading for you, but basically they're both probably about half the weight of the TKO, which is about half the weight of the Donnie FL. And these are selling for $24.50 each, shipped. So when we look at the effectiveness of them and the durability that I saw from them, I think that's a heck of a value. You know, at this point, when you can buy a suppressor for 25 bucks that substantially reduce the report of your air gun, I think it's silly not to use them. You owe it to your hearing, you owe it to the people around you. You know, I've really become a big fan of suppressors on air guns, particularly guns that are tuned for extra power or anything like that. So, like I said,